Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're going to share with you 5 more must-see beaches in Cornwall. This is the 5th episode of the series, so be sure to like and subscribe to be notified of future content. The rest of the series is linked in the description box, as well as individual vlogs of each location if you want to see more. All the postcodes, parking, accessibility and other information will also be in the description box below. Let's get to it. First up, we think you should visit Porthkidney Beach. Porthkidney Beach stretches from the mouth of the River Hayle in Lelant to Hawke's Point in Carbis Bay. Its neighbouring beaches are Carbis Bay Beach and Porthgwidden Beach. This secluded beach is only about a mile long, but at low tide the beach becomes very wide. There are many caves and sand dunes to explore. Porthkidney has no lifeguard cover, so swimming is not advisable, particularly near the river mouth, as the tides can really swell here. Most swimmers and surfers end up at the Carbis Bay end of the beach by Hawke's Point for the biggest waves. There are many areas you can enter the beach, and we entered over the rock pools by Hayle Estuary, but you can also walk along the coastal path from Lelant or Carbis Bay. Porthkidney is dog friendly all year round. Whilst you're down west, why not head over to Porthgwidden Beach in St Ives, a much smaller beach with a real seaside holiday vibe with bright rental huts and benches on the beach. This feels like the perfect place for a summer holiday. Porthgwidden is also right next to the next beach we think you should visit in St Ives. Porthgwidden is really local to the town and other beaches of St Ives. St Ives is one of Cornwall's most popular seaside towns, and you can see why. There are 3 beaches within easy walking distance, a quaint harbour town and even the island to explore. When you walk up the island, which is not really an island at all, but it has amazing views of the beaches and the ocean. Porthgwidden is relatively sheltered, so popular with families and sea swimmers. Whilst in the St Ives area, why not head over the road, quite literally, to Porthmuir, one of St Ives' more famous and larger beaches, backed by the world famous Tate St Ives, artist accommodation, galleries and the island. This beach is laid mostly to golden sand with some rock pools at either end. Porthmuir is more exposed and therefore offers more waves for those budding surfers. Porthmuir tends to be more busy as it's much larger and an easier walk from the main town. It's also very close to all the local amenities and has lifeguard cover in the summer. It would be rude not to head over to Carbis Bay while you're in the area. Carbis Bay is located less than a mile away from St Ives, and it has its own very gorgeous sandy beach. Carbis Bay is more sheltered and therefore popular with families. Carbis Bay Beach has also previously been known as Barippa Beach. It is often less busy in tourist season than its neighbouring St Ives. It even has its own stop on the St Ives branch line if you are coming by train. It is down a bit of a hill, but there are facilities, toilets, cafes and a pub at the bottom of the hill. Throwing in a little curveball now for the last one on this list. Moving away from West Cornwall, we're going over to Porth Beach. Porth's nearest town is Falmouth on the south coast of Cornwall. One thing I love about Porth is how secluded it is. This makes it less busy, and in the winter you can park right on the water's edge. Imagine if you had a camper van and could just open it right out onto the beach. It would be bliss. Porth is small with shallow water and rock pools, which makes it great for children and families. At low tide you can even see the shipwreck of Ben Asdale. There are limited amenities here due to how secluded it is, but there is a little cafe selling seaside essentials. If you want to find just a little piece of Cornwall that's slightly less busy, this is the place to check out. Let us know if you have visited any of these beaches. We will have another video up soon with more recommendations of places to visit in Cornwall. Until then, please do like and subscribe as it helps to get our content seen. We appreciate all your support and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.